go. Is everything in? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. If those are things that you're into, you might want to go ahead and subscribe because I upload 2 to 3 videos a week. You can also find me on my Instagram, which I will put right down on the bottom of the screen. I share a lot of daily affordable outfit ideas, behind the scenes of my life on stories, all that good stuff. So if you want to check me out on all the other social medias, they are in the description box. So please go and say hi if you are on those platforms. I would love to see you all there as well. Today is a subscription box unboxing video. I did a poll with you guys a couple weeks ago asking if you'd be interested in a Glossybox unboxing. I've never tried Glossybox before, but they emailed me and asked if I would like to try it out. So I was like, let me see if anyone would be interested in this, because I have never really heard much about Glossybox. And if I'm being honest, I really don't watch a whole lot of subscription box unboxings on YouTube. So I've really never watched any content about this one. So I don't know. I've saved this. I did open it, but I didn't open it, if you know what I mean. I had some self-control. But here it is. The Glossybox is really cute. It's this very light pink. And let me see, how much does this cost a month? I'm not even sure, actually. Glossybox, Glossybox. And it appears, I thought my battery for my camera was charging today, and I guess it wasn't. Oh no. Oh, so I have a discount code. Your discount code will allow your followers to get their first box for $16. So my discount code is 16Jessica right there, and I'll put it down there as well. If you guys use 16Jessica, you will get $16 off your first Glossybox if you would like to try it for yourself. Glossybox is a monthly subscription box where you get deluxe full-size products that are valued at over $75. It appears the normal subscription is $21 a month if you just get it monthly, but it looks like they do prorate it if you decide to get, if you pay for a whole year, then you get it slightly cheaper at $18 a month. If you do the 3-month quarterly subscription, it's $58.50 every quarter. You get the point. It's roughly $21 a month, but of course with my code you can get it for $16, so make sure you use it. But here, let's unbox this. I love the box. First of all, it's just very much my vibe, very girly and feminine, this light pink. Here is the inside. They've got it all cute and tied up with a black ribbon. I'm just gonna go ahead and untie that. And it appears they give you a little pamphlet, which you guys, if you watch my Ipsy unboxings, then you know that is one of my beefs with Ipsy, is I just want something to tell me what everything is. Total up the value of all this stuff so I can really see what the whole value of this box is at the very end. I just ripped that quite terribly. Whoops. Let's just get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the biggest thing, and that is the Bioderma full size of their Sodium H2O micellar water. I have been very familiar with this brand for a long time. Next thing in here, we have Seeds Phytonutrients Lightweight Facial Lotion. I've never heard of this brand, and first of all, I need to mention the micellar water was $14.90. This is a full size, and it is $34, 99% natural and 100% vegan. And it's rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. I love that. Something that you can cut one step out of your routine is fantastic. It's got very crunchy kind of granola kind of packaging, I do have to say. Kind of low budget on the packaging, but I appreciate the vibe they're going for here. I have to try that out. I have so many lotions to get through, so this might be something that I give away to a friend or one of you all, just because I have way too much skincare in my life already as it is. All right, what's next in here? Korres? I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. This is a deluxe mini size, and it is Greek yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. Greek yogurt, huh? That's interesting. I love that it has actual Greek on the packaging. Very authentic. Please focus, camera. Very authentic. You see that Greek? So it's a probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt, which rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances skin's natural protective layer in just one use. That actually sounds like something I need. I really have very splotchy, uneven skin tone sometimes, and I really love products that help rebalance my skin, even out my skin tone. So I'm definitely going to try this out, and I'll probably test it out on my Instagram stories. So again, go follow me on Instagram for more fun Jessica content. Deluxe Mini is a $10 value. The full size costs you $49. So definitely going to test this out, and if it's worth it, then we'll get the full size. That's why it's kind of nice to get subscription boxes, because they do allow you to try out new products at a very discounted price to really see if you want to take the plunge for something that's a little bit more bougie, you know? Next thing I'm pulling out is high maintenance peeling mask. This is also a deluxe mini. It is from High Skincare, again, another brand I've never heard of before. Cannabis peeling mask. Get it? High. So smart. You can purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask, which is formulated with cannabis sativa seed oil, organic plant oils, and antioxidants. So the deluxe mini costs $20, and the full size, which is a 50 milliliter, is $46. Lots of masks in here. I guess I'm gonna have to save these for like my self-care days. A couple more things in here. So the next thing is Smarter CBD, how refreshing. Say hello to Zolt. So we're all about peak performance for you as well as your CBD. That's why Zolt CBD drink mixes are optimized for your body's absorption and up to 5 times more effective than other hemp formats. So what does this do? That's what I'm wondering. Raise your baseline performance mentally and physically with a perfect dose of pure hemp-derived CBD. This vegan drink additive is made with organic sweeteners and natural flavors. I wonder, is it just supposed to help your everyday equilibrium? I guess I could use help with that because I am usually a hot, moody, anxiety-ridden mess most days. So interesting concept though. It's a coconut flavor and it's caffeine-free. I love anything coconut flavored, so I might have to try this after I'm done with this video. We'll see. Last thing in here, ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. By the way, retail for that, because I'm sucking at this video, is one stick is $3.20, just that one little packet. A pack of 10 is $32, so that stuff better rebalance my life for that price, jeez. The last thing is a 2-pack from the brand After Spa, and I'm really stoked about this because I have something similar to this on my Amazon wish list. I was hoping I might get it for Christmas, but I didn't. But basically they are reusable makeup removal rounds. So they're just like little small reusable, rewashable makeup removing wipes. I don't know if you guys have ever used that pink magic eraser washcloth, and I've used like a small version of it before, but the thing that's always deterred me from buying that is because it's so big. And all you have to do is put on some makeup removing solution on the little round and you can remove makeup in downward swiping motions. You repeat as necessary until your makeup is completely removed, and they are machine washable when it's time to clean and reuse. The reason I love these is because I have white towels and white washcloths, and I don't want to ruin my nice white towels taking off my mascara or my red lipstick. You guys get the point. So with this, you don't have to be afraid to ruin it because this is its express purpose. So I'm really glad I got these. I definitely am going to order another pack that I have on my Amazon wish list because there's just more of them. Ideally, I'd like to have like a lot so that when I do laundry, like maybe every 2 weeks, that's the right time for me to wash these as well. So really cool. A great way to also be very environmentally friendly because we all know makeup wipes are not exactly great for the environment, are they? No. Brings us to the end of the Glossybox unboxing. Let me just look at my little calculator to calculate how much this adds up to be. This is a grand total, my friends, of $92.10. Let's talk about this. How do I feel about the Glossybox? Really not a huge subscription box person. And I'm really not sure if that's because I get so much product sent to me that I already have like an overwhelming amount of product that I could never possibly use. And so when I get more product from a subscription box, I'm just like, oh, if I was like a normal customer of a subscription box, if I wasn't a blogger or a YouTuber getting PR, would I enjoy it? I think I would. I have so much product. So it gives me a little bit of anxiety to get new product because I just have so much. For that, I feel like this box was exclusively skincare, with the exception of that little packet of water stuff, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not also, like, for the same reason that I don't like to, I have so much skincare. That's really what it comes down to. And I feel like at least with makeup, I also do have a lot of makeup, but I could play with a new eyeshadow color. I could play with a fun new thing with makeup because you do your makeup and there's room for that sort of creativity. But with skincare, I kind of like to try something and use it completely up and then move on to the next thing. And so that's why I don't really like to get a bunch of skincare products, and that's what this mostly was. So it was cool to get to check out Glossybox. If you guys get Glossybox, let me know down in the comments. I'm really curious if any of you all do get this box. How do you like it in comparison to others? I have have to say I kind of like Ipsy better. Don't hate me, Glossybox. I'm really sorry. It's a great product. I'm excited to try this mask. I'm definitely stoked on the makeup removing pads. So 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So half of the items I'm pretty excited about. So yeah. So if you're looking for maybe a subscription box that's a little bit more skincare focused, Glossybox might be the right fit for you. You might want to try it out. So again, use my code 16Jessica and you can get your first box for $16 and you can try it out for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel out in the algorithm. And if you're not subscribed already, definitely go ahead and click that subscribe button. While you're here, definitely go check out my last Ipsy unboxing if you're curious about Ipsy. I've got a really cool video up here for you all as well. Stick around, watch a couple more videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!